Hi guys, it's your girl Lola, and I'm back with another doll Whitney Houston look. I'm using the same Whitney Houston doll from the same concert. I'm going to make another outfit from the concert. So we start with this Whitney Houston doll first. Next, I'll be using this yellow fabric to create the outfit. I'm going to use these scissors to cut the outfit out. Then I'm going to hot glue the outfit because I don't know how to sew. So I'm going to hot glue the outfit on the doll. And we should be, with the finishing results. Okay. Okay, now we have the bottoms already created. And I think they came out good. I just hot glued them on her. And, I could still take them off. So this is not a permanent doll. This is just, creating an outfit look. Anyway, I'll be back with the next step. Okay, for the next step, I use these little crystals to put the little details on the shorts. And see, this is how it came out. Beautiful. I just add my own details. So, I should be back with the... No, I had to do the shoes. So, be back. Now, for the shoes, I'm going to create this... Whitney Houston, I guess in the 90s, I remember Beyonce and Girls Time had these same type of shoes, but Whitney Houston had like gold and yellow ones on. They was like some type of tennis shoes, but I can't explain it. Like material, they were yellow and gold, so I'm going to try to emulate them with this chrome tape and a little bit of yellow fabric that was left over. So hopefully I'll do a good job. Okay. Ta-da! If you guess what, this is a look from the Welcome Home's Hero concert Whitney Houston did. I hope I did a good job. I just added my few own details, and I just did the shoes. It's nothing. The shoes is not going to be permanent. It's just something how her shoes look on the video. I hope you guys like this look, and I'll do many more looks of Whitney Houston. Leave a comment down below if you like it, and whatever look of Whitney Houston would you like me to do with my dolls. Anyway, I'll be back with another video. Please, y'all, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe and share this video on doll platforms and DIY platforms. Please. I think I did a great job. What y'all think? Anyway, it's your girl Lola Loves You. I'll be back with another video. Bye.